I'm going to make some kombucha. You really just need either a glass or a stainless steel bowl, measuring jug, measuring cup, that's 1 cup, some sugar, ideally organic. Mine's not organic today. You need half a cup of the liquid from your previous batch. So if you don't have any yet, you're going to have to get some kombucha. And then you need the mushroom or the SCOBY. So I use organic green tea, but you could use any kind of organic tea, preferably Ceylon teas. You need 4 tea bags. So I've boiled the kettle and I've already put, it's pretty much 3 liters that you need to put in. Okay. So I have the last 2 500 ml jugs of hot water going in. And I'm going to put 1 cup of white sugar into the boiling water. And then I'm going to throw my 4 tea bags in. Stir it until it dissolves. I'm going to leave the tea in there and I'm just going to let it steep until the water gets cold. So the mushroom or the SCOBY acts on the tea and the sugar to form acetic acid and lactic acid, and also a very potent detoxifying agent called glucuronic acid. Now, we produce glucuronic acid in our livers, so if we weren't, look, we live in a modern world, so our livers are a little bit pressed in terms of trying to manage everything that comes in that's not particularly easy to manage. The point is that having extra glucuronic acid in through the kombucha, for example, just aids the liver in neutralizing toxins in the body. This is cold now. My hands are clean. I'm going to take out these tea bags. I usually do this over a sink, but for the sake of showing you, I will do it here. We've got half a cup. If it's a little more, it doesn't matter. Half a cup, we're going to pour in. That's the old mixture, which is going to help ferment it. And then in here, what happens is that every time you make a new batch, you'll actually create a new mushroom. And then I just stick that on the top. That's kind of what the mushroom looks like. You'll see this, that's 1. Just a thin, in fact, you know what, I'll stick that in as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to cover the one that we've done. Like so. Keep the bugs out. And then ideally you want to look for somewhere warm and dark. And the warmer it is, the faster it'll grow and convert and be drinkable. Look, in cooler weather I find it takes about 2 to 3 weeks. But in warmer weather you could probably get it in a week. Okay, so that's how you make kombucha. It's very simple and it's delicious. Please feel free to share this post and I will see you again soon.